So here's 4 measures of Can You Read My Mind? So I'm reminding you, right hand, C, E, G, E, D, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's the right hand. I'm going to repeat one more time. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. We have 2 chords. So E, G, C, G. 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now finger 5 and 3 and 2 and then it's 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and now we're putting them together. So for one hand, quarter notes, left hand 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Diamond is here. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That is just first 4 measures.